Good day to you all. So I want to show you an amazing new app that has been integrated into Canva. It's still in beta mode. It's only available on the web version of Canva, not the app version. But I'm sure once things get sorted and it gets rolled out, it's going to be amazing for so many people. It is the Draw app. So you can draw direct into Canva. It's fantastic. So I'm going to go over to my screen and I'm going to show you all about this amazing new app. I've opened up just a Facebook size template, nothing fancy. We're just going to go for a Facebook size template. When you go over to the left-hand side, you have your menu. If you scroll right down to the bottom, you've got folders, you have a more option. Click more, and then you will probably need to scroll right down because it will be down here at the bottom somewhere. It will be an app that you need to integrate. You just need to connect it to your account. Click on it, click connect, and then it will put it at the top with the apps that you have integrated. It's this one here, the Draw app, okay? So it gives you 4 different types of brushes. You have a pen, a marker, a glow pen, and a highlighter. Now these are amazing. It's only 4. It will obviously become more as the app is built. But I just want to show you how simple this is. You can click on the pen. We can then click on the size of the nib. Okay. If we want to go down a bit, it makes it thinner. And you can change the transparency of it as well. So it makes it lighter, so you can add something underneath it and make this stand out so you can still see through your writing, your drawing examples. You can change the color. I'm going to have thick transparency. Love this color. Look how smooth that is. This is not me not actually drawing anything that makes any sense. I'm just showing you the different types of pens. We have a marker pen. Again, you can change the size and transparency and color. And it just gives you this beautiful, oh, I love the deep red. You have a glow pen. I'm going to stick with the pink and just show you. It gives you this outer glow. Okay, we'll go for purple. It gives you an amazing outer glow. And again, you can change the size, transparency, and you can rub it out as well if you make a mistake. You can change the size, so you can then rub out more. If you want to rub out the whole thing, you can. So we have a gorgeous pen where we can do some awesome stuff with. We have marker pens, which is lovely. We have a glow pen. I'm going to go for a blue. Gives you this lovely outer glow. And we have a highlighter pen. We'll go for red. And it just gives you that squarer, more highlighter shape that you get with an actual highlighter pen. So you have 4 choices of pens, as many colors as you want. You can change the transparency, you can change the size of the nib of the particular pen that you're using, and you can rub them out. You can do this with your mouse on your computer. It's awesome. So you can write, you can draw, you can do as you wish now with this. It's a fantastic option. And then I'm not going to, because this is a funny little squiggle, but you can download this as a normal design in Canva, PNG, JPEG, PDF print, however you want to download this, you can download it and use it within your business, your social media, artwork for your children, for example. If you are a creative person, you can now get onto Canva and create actual drawn artwork. So that's it for today. I just wanted to show you this awesome new app in Canva. And yeah, I really hope that you love that and have a good go and have a play with it and experiment it. It's in beta mode. It's possibly only on pro accounts at the moment. It tends to get rolled out slowly. And I've noticed it's not on the web app version. It's just on Canva desktop, the website. So yeah, I hope you have enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one.